Hello, it's Kathy from Utah DIY Wedding. I'm at a wedding up at Jordanelle Dam at the Hailstone Event Center, and I want to show you guys this. I can't do this live because my internet connection's not strong enough, but I wanted to show you this. So we're going to walk through a wedding as if you're a guest. Here we have our welcome to our wedding sign. We used our Edison lights and put up lights for these people. They've taken out this is the bench that we use for the gifts, and the cards were in there. This is what they use for their sign-in table. But they're pretty much through now. We're just starting to clean up. But I love how we did the lights for them. We connected to the poles at the building, and then we use barrels for the light supports. You can see them in there still finishing the party. It ended 10 minutes ago, but you know, you just don't want a wedding to end. And the centerpieces are kind of a funny story. So the wind was blowing really hard, and so we had to actually anchor them with cups of rocks. We did a s'mores bar for them, and the wind was literally blowing this off, so we used little cups of rocks to keep it anchored. And over here, they have a s'mores bar. I hope we can see this well. They've taken the burners out, but we set up one of our small burner tables, and there's their sticks, and they had pre-made s'mores for everybody. And here you can see the Jordanelle Dam from here and the beautiful moon that's going. And they actually got married at the Church of Dirt, but they still wanted to do a head table with an arch behind it. And they had 2 food trucks behind here. So it was a great party. Thank you guys. I'll post this for you to enjoy.